Hi guys, welcome back. Today's workout is an 8-minute ab workout. There's no rest in this. We're just gonna go back to back with these exercises, help you get that strong core. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Now let's begin. The first exercise we're gonna do is butterfly kicks. So lie on your back, make sure that your lower back is in contact with the ground at all times. And you just wanna do a small flutter kick with your feet. Keep them very slightly above the ground. If this is too difficult, raise them up even higher. That should make the exercise a little bit easier. The second exercise we're gonna do is a side crunch. We're gonna be on one side for 1 minute and then we'll switch. So bend your knees and then drop them down to one side and then crunch straight up. Keep your elbows back and behind your head for a little bit of extra support. And really feel those obliques crunching. We're here for 1 minute. Awesome job. We're gonna switch sides, do the same thing on the other side for 1 minute. Our next exercise is a side plank star. So you're going to get in a side plank first, raise one arm up to the ceiling, and then you're going to raise your top leg and hold it there. Make sure everything is in line, hips are up, and you're squeezing your glutes. We're here for 30 seconds, and then we'll switch sides. You can do this from your hand or from your elbow. On your elbow, it's going to be a little bit tougher on your abs, but it'll also be easier on your wrist. So do whatever works for you. Alright, hip dips is next. Get into plank position on your elbows, and you're going to dip down to one side, touching the side of your hip to the ground, back to a plank position, make sure you keep your hips down here, and then to the other side, back and forth like this for a minute. Next up is the penguin. So for this, you're also lying on your back. Bend your knees and keep your feet together. And you're going to touch your hand to your foot on either side. Back and forth like this for 1 minute. If this is too much on your neck, you can keep one hand behind your head to support it, while the other hand touches your foot. And then 30 seconds through, go ahead and switch hands. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds, so if you're holding your head with one hand, go ahead and switch now. Next up is rowers. So for this, keep your back as straight as possible and you're in a rowing motion, just like you would be on an erg or if you're rowing on the water. So straighten out those knees and then bend them again. Back and forth like this for 1 minute. Keep your back as straight as possible here. Our last exercise is a butterfly crunch. So bring your feet together, knees are bent, and down to one side. You're on your back again for this. And you just want to crunch up, making sure that you feel those abs contracting. The point of keeping your legs on either side of you is to deactivate your hip flexor, to make sure that your abs are doing all of the work here. This is the last minute. Stay strong and we're done after this. Keep it up for a few more seconds, guys. You're almost there. I'm curious to know which one of these exercises was hardest for you, so let me know in the comments below. And you're done. Awesome job. Way to push through for an entire 8 minutes. That was a lot of abs there, but you did it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next workout.